Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life on a 2014 Honda Odyssey. This should be the same for 2011 all the way up to 2017. As you can see here, service due soon, B1. What we want to start out by doing is we want to hit this up button on the steering wheel. It's got the down arrow, the up arrow, hit the up arrow until we get to the oil life screen. You can see here 10%. Once we get to that screen, there's a select switch right behind that up button. Pull that one up and hold that one, usually about 5 to 10 seconds. And then we'll get to this screen. So here we got reset or cancel. We hit the up button again on the steering wheel. You can see that moves to reset. Once we move to that one, we just press the select button underneath the up button. And there we go, 100%. So that's how you reset the oil life on a 2011 to 2017 Honda Odyssey. Thank you guys for watching.